Hey, what's up guys? So today I'll be looking at the X-T1 and why I think this camera is the best value camera for 2020 and the years to come. So I've been using the X-T1 for about 4 years now. It's been my main camera for street photography, travel and family photos. Of course, this is not a perfect camera. It's got its quirks, like the autofocus continuous for photo is not that great and the video capabilities are quite limited. But for its price, the rest of this camera is simply just excellent. Alright, so without further ado, here are 5 reasons the X-T1 is lit in 2020 AF. So the first reason I have for you is the design of the X-T1. One thing that camera spec sheets don't tell you is how a camera makes you feel. With the X-T1, they have tried to mimic old film cameras, just like my Nikon FM2, and have dials and manual controls. Want to create some motion blur, turn down the dial for the shutter speed. Need some grain in your photos to make that film look? Turn up the ISO, it's all right here at your fingertips. These dials help new photographers coming into photography to learn their exposure and not have to rely on the auto settings. It's kind of hard to explain, but the X-T1 have given me so much joy going out to take photos compared to the old DSLR that I had. For what this produces, it's extremely small. Paired with this 27 f2.8 right here, and you have a high-end package to go out there and shoot high-quality photos. What's more, you have a weatherseal body for extra peace of mind. Of course, you have to pair it with a weatherseal lens like this 35 f2 that I have right here, but this package would mean that you will be more willing to go out there when it's raining and take photos. Now, reason number 2 would be this flip screen right here. It's a small detail, but this screen allows you to go at your waist and take some street photography shots without people noticing it. Kapow, kapow. This also flips down for you to reach out and take those high-angle shots. Now, the third reason that I have is the Fuji colors. There's no denying that Fuji makes the best color profiles for JPEGs. And with that comes classic chrome, one of the color profiles that Fuji users really love. Now the fourth reason is the electronic viewfinder. It's big and bright and you can even set 2 screens on it. One for the viewfinder image and one for checking your focus. And the fifth reason would be its price. With all that goodness packed into this tiny little camera, we would expect the price to be high. But it's been out in the market for 5 years now. The prices for this has gone down by quite a lot. You can easily find this second-hand for around $400 US. Compared to when it first launched at $1,300 USD, now you can often find the X-T1 on sale for less than half the price on Fujifilm retail stores. Overall, I think the Fuji X-T1 is a great photography tool, and Fujifilm has given the camera the best software upgrades they possibly can with their firmware updates. The video side of things is not great, but with that said, I have still managed to create professional videos for my work and can definitely see workarounds for the video capabilities. What makes the Fuji system great is also the library of amazing lenses they have. Not yet mentioning the ability to adapt vintage lenses to the body. That's all I got for you. I really love this camera. I hope you find this video helpful. It's been nice. I'm Jacob. Subscribe to us, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next one.